All right, so finally upgrading my battery. So out with this old Optima. I have a trash Optima here and another trash Optima here. Ever since they sold, Optimas have gone downhill. So what I have now is a anti-gravity. And these have the whole jump start, restart. I'll get more into that further along in the video. And I also want to show you the battery box sizes. Obviously, this one was way too big for this battery anyways, but with that said, this is just a cheap, like $17 off of Amazon. It's for its 4 series, which is what I ended up getting. And as you can see, I could fit this inside of there if I wanted to, but this is going to be a game changer for me. And this thing is heavy, and this thing is crazy light for its size. And I'll go ahead and show you everything. So what you get with these anti-gravity batteries, which is a really cool feature for a lot of the cars that either have, for jump starting, that have the battery either tucked away, or like for my case, it's in the trunk. It's not too hard to get to because I just have to undo the strap and connect to the positive and negative. But with these, they actually have a built-in jump start. So with that, it comes with 2 key fobs. So all you have to do is activate it with the push button that it comes with. And I'm going to bring this battery over to you to compare them. And it might not come out of this box. So hold on, let me set these key fobs and stuff over here. But let's see. So it has a little handle. Yeah. So, all right. So I had to put the phone down. And as you can see, the 2 batteries here, I got a Series 20 or Group 24, and this is a 40 amp hours, massively lighter. I mean, look, I can just lift this with no issues. This one is super heavy. I cannot. But you can see it has the little jump start feature here. Under this label, you can kind of see like its features. So these actually have like a chip built in. They monitor the battery at all times. If they detect it's going to drain the battery, it'll stop. So I guess that's the intelligent part of it. But I will say these batteries are pretty insane. If you go on their website and check them out and read about them, it's really neat to see all the features that they have in a battery, and it's kind of mind-blowing. So just compare the box that it actually fits in. This is just a cheap box because I just screw it into the floor in my trunk, but it fits pretty much perfectly in there. I'll probably ended up putting a piece of foam on this side and then a piece of foam on this side. But as far as the bouncing up and down, you can see how this recesses in here. Whenever you put this on, as you can see, it will actually hold the battery, so the battery will not bounce up and down inside of this box. Just, it can move side to side. But for 17 bucks, I can't complain. I mean, that's like such a small gap I have to fill there. So I'll probably just put some foam around the edge and call it a day. I'll be good to go. And probably never have to open up this battery again, since it has the whole jump start feature. I just wanted to show you guys the setup, how it is now. You can see how much less space it's going to take up in my trunk. Of course, saving the weight on the car. The big thing with these is this is 1500 crank amps. The crank amps is 1500. This is 40 amp hours. The reason I got 40 amp hours is even though this is a race car, I only needed like the 25. I do drive the car to events and such, so I didn't want to have to worry about draining the battery too much and having to use the built-in jump start. But this also, as you can see, it's 13.2 volts. So this is like the perfect battery for me. I'll keep you guys updated. Just go ahead and like, subscribe, follow if you guys can, and help support me. Thanks.